Welcome back to Catherine and Justin's Chinese class. Today we're going to be opening Fidget Surprise Collection 1.
啊哈，然后这叫什么 ？Fidget surprise
It means kind of playing around, and surprise is a surprise. Whee!
中文呢？
惊喜。
惊喜。
Yeah.
意外是吗？Fidget 什么意思呢
Play around.
Play around 就是你可以带，就是随身携带的，可以去任何地方都可以玩，是不是？OK， 那我们打开看一下，它里面有多少个
There's supposed to be 8 surprises.
然后里面有8个惊喜，好，打开看一下吧。
Okay, so the first thing is this hamburger puppet.
啊哈 ，hamburger 的中文嘞？汉堡。
汉堡。
然后来看一下怎么玩。
So you just pop these bubbles. It's kind of like bubble wrap, but then it's you can keep popping it and it won't just you don't have to you can just keep popping it. This is the second surprise, which is a popsicle noodle, and when you pull it, it makes a really cool sound.
哦，它叫什么 ？Puppet noodle 是吧
Yeah. Puppet noodle. This is the in Chinese, it's 面条. So this is the second surprise. This is the puppet noodle. Noodle in Chinese is 面条. Okay, the next thing we have is this fidget spinner.
这个是可以转动的那个小陀螺吧，就手动陀螺。转一下。是第3个。
The fourth surprise is this. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's a bendy little snake thing, I guess.
Snake 是中文是什么 in Chinese？ 蛇，对，它像蛇一样可以转来转去，是不是？有声音吗？可以卷起来吗
？Yeah.
哦，真的像蛇一样。
There's still 4 more things. This is kind of like this one, but it's smaller and it can go on your pencil on the bottom.
这是什么形状的
？Kind of like a tail, like a fish tail.
像鱼的尾巴。
This is a mini one.
这个是迷你的，可以放到铅笔头上。好，看一下另外一个。
This one has a marble in the middle of it. I think it's
有个小弹珠。
And you can push it around.
Marble 的中文是什么？
弹珠。
弹珠，对了。
And then there's 2 surprise ones.
这里面是什么呢
？So let's open the bigger one first.
OK。这叫什么
？This is a slinky and it's hot pink.
这个是粉色的。
So this is the last one. I'm not sure what it is since it's
last one 是最后一个。
Oh, it's one of these things where you can put it on the ground and it pops up.
好，你放到上面看一下。
It doesn't work on the surface. I need a hard surface. Okay, let me try it on this cap. It's supposed to go up, but then it's not working. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
它是可以弹跳上来的。
When you fold it over, and then you hold it, and then you put it on a flat surface, and it pops up. Okay, so let's review all the things we have. First thing, we got a hamburger, 汉堡. Then we got this noodle thingy, 面条.
面条可以拉长吗？真的。
Then we got this slinky.
Slinky 是那种可以旋转，就是那种螺旋形状的可以拉长的这个玩具。
Yeah. And then we have a mini puppet.
啊哈，这个
that
是
has
迷
a
你的
fish
那个
tail.
fish tail 是什么？中文？
鱼的尾巴。
鱼的尾巴。对了
And then we have this marble.
，marble 中文呢？
弹珠。
弹珠。对了，然后嘞？
And we have this snake thingy.
啊哈 snake 就是蛇。对了。
And then we have this poppy thingy.
啊哈，
I don't know what it's called in Chinese.
怎么玩呢？
You need to flip it around.
喏，这些怎么玩？看一下。
Okay, so this one, you just need to pop it. It's just literally that easy. And then you can pop it. There's also a game you can use for these. It's whoever has the last pop loses.
啊哈。
So then, let's say me and Justin are playing this, and then we're both popping it, but then whoever does the last one loses.
啊哈，这个是一个，其实也是一个两个人可以玩的游戏。
Next, we have this pop tube, and then you can close it like this, and then you can pull it out.
啊哈，
It's a 面条.
面条的那个 puppet。
And then we have this,
Oh, okay.
and then this can, and you flip it over, you put it on a flat surface and make sure it's like stuck right there, and then you have to let go before it pops up or else it won't work.
Okay.
And make sure the air doesn't come out. Yeah.
Oh.
Please subscribe and like, and then you'll see the blue one, which is the collection 2. And please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.